Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change the air filter on a Smart 450. So I've already taken the air filter out, and in order to take the air filter you have to remove this top housing, and there are 4 clips. So there's one there, one in the corner, and one on this side, and one which is slightly hidden. Now once you loosen the clips, it's literally a matter of just pushing this up and then sliding it sideways, and that's it. So when I first took the top housing off, I realized that this is holding the air filter in place, and all it is a sliding mechanism, so it slides out. So you put the air filter in and then slide back in. So I'm going to just quickly show you that on the new air filter. So I have the new air filter here. Just going to put that in place. Okay, I think one side is smaller than the other. No, they're both the same. Okay, so it just goes in, and then this needs to be pushed back into the air filter. I'm just going to use both hands and pause the video. Okay, so the air filter is now in, but you do have to use both hands. I did try to use it one hand, but it wouldn't go in. And when this part goes in, you do hear a click, and same on this side as well. So when you slide it back in, it basically clips onto that. So I'm just going to put the housing back on. Again, just slide it in, and then just put the clips on. So I'm just going to quickly do that. Okay, so the housing is back up. I'm just going to put the clips. Put the clips back on. Now it wasn't easy actually just to do it by hand, so I had to use a flat screwdriver just to push the clips on, and that's about it basically. So that's the air filter done. I'm now going to do the oil filter. Okay, so I've now taken the oil filter out, and I just wanted to record some notes on how I've done it. So I've jacked the car on the left hand side on the chassis. The jack I have has got quite a large surface area, so it was quite easy for me to jack, and also I've got a rubber block on top of the jack, which makes it quite easy to jack the car. And so I've jacked the car on the left hand side at the back, because the drain plug or drain bolt is actually on the right hand side. You can see the oil coming out into the tray. The nut required a T40 Torx, which is this one, to loosen. So it's a T40. I'm not sure whether you can, yeah, there you can see the camera zoomed in a bit there. So that's T40 for the drain bolt. And I've also taken out the oil filter. Now the oil filter is inside this housing, and you can see the filter is still in there. Very easy to take out. To loosen the oil housing, I have used a 27mm to loosen that, and that was also quite easy. So I'm now going to let the oil come out, and once the oil is out, I'm going to put the new filter in, and I'll record some more notes. I have my smart car on the jack at the moment. I'm in the process of changing the oil filter. I've also taken out the oil filler cap so that the oil drains a bit faster, and also, as I pointed out, I've jacked on the left hand side so that all the oil comes out of the engine properly, and that's it. So I'm just going to start putting the oil filter back in.